Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making the fudgiest and the most chocolatey brownie ever. So here's all the ingredients. So first of all, we have 1 cup of flour. Then we have 1 cup of normal cane sugar. Then we have 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Then we have 1 cup of brown sugar. Then we have 3 eggs. Then we have 1 cup of melted butter. Then we have 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then we have 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Here's all the steps. So let's begin by putting in our 1 cup of melted butter. Then we need our 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then we need our 1 cup of brown sugar. Then we need 1 cup of sugar. And right now we mix. So now we're gonna add the egg while you still see or hear the sugar. Here you can hear the sugar. It's mixing time. So now I'm done mixing. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. So there's only like 2 dry ingredients today, which is flour and cocoa powder. I have to sift both of them. So now my mixing is done. Now it's folding time. So now I'm going to fold. But first I'm going to put the rest of my ingredient, which is just chocolate chip. The chocolate chip is for the fudgy part at the middle of the brownie. So for this baking pan, I have to cut the edge just so that it can go. Now let's put this in. So now I'm just letting this thing settle. As you can see, there's like extra parchment paper at the edge. Well, that's because I want to take my brownies easily up in the air, and also it's gonna make it so that the brownie does not stick. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven, which I've preheated to 350 degrees for 30 minutes. The brownies are halfway done and they smell so good. Smells so good. Right now I'm gonna wait for this to cool off, so then I can cut it and serve. So now this cooled off. This is the real reason why we use the parchment paper. Also, we don't want this to stick. Of course we don't. So now I'm gonna put this tray away. It's kind of cool, so I can of course use my hand. Now I'm going to cut this. So now this brownie looks so good. There's like chocolatey fudge inside, and there's like crisp edges, and I love the corner piece because I love the crisp from the corner and also the fudge. Now let's take a bite. This tastes so good. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more. Goodbye.